Seiko was founded in 1881 by Kentaro Hattori in Tokyo, Japan. This is the first ever quartz watch ever to be made, and they're still being sold today after 100 plus years. So now that you know some background information, that little piece of why these watches are amazing, let me tell you why I love them personally. So really, this was a great price for this type of watch. I mean, it's automatic movement, which means you don't need batteries to run this. It runs on its own movement. Here, I'll show you in the back. You see that? It has gears and stuff like that. I don't know. The way they make watches just amazes me. And yeah, it's extremely versatile. You can wear it with anything, literally anything. And it can really elevate your style. So now that you know about the watch, I'll be putting the link in the description to Amazon so you can buy it. Like I said, $74, 2-day shipping. That's pretty amazing. So now that you know about it, go look good on a budget.